So Dave, if I was someone that wanted to do an install at a very high standard, in your experience, have you got any tips or tricks?
Yes, the best advice I can give you is to use a datum line, like the one that you can see set up on the wall here by using the laser level. Basically using that, you know that the measurements that you take from the datum line are going to be accurate. So if you take your tape, measure down from the datum line, you can see that to the top of the socket it's 100 mil, and then to the bottom of the socket it's 170 mil. If we go across this sheet here, you can see that the datum line has been transferred onto the sheet. Okay, so from that you can see that we've gone 100 mil down and 170 mil down. Okay, you know that those measurements are going to be accurate because the measurements on the datum line are exactly right.